JDS leaders K.A. Tippaswamy and legal cell head K.P. Ranganath have filed a complaint against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi at the Karnataka DGP office. The complaint arises from statements made by Gandhi in Shimoga and Raichur, where he accused Prajwal Revanna, the MP of Hassan, of being a mass rapist and alleged that 400 women had been sexually harassed by him. The JDS leaders condemned these statements as misinformation and questioned the source of Gandhi's allegations. They challenged Gandhi to provide evidence to the investigating agencies if his claims were true. Furthermore, they raised concerns about why the special investigation team had not questioned Gandhi regarding the case.
There was during the election campaign, Mr. Rahul Gandhi in Shimoga and Raichur stated that Mr. Prajwal Revanna, MP from Hassan Assembly Parliamentary Constituency, is a mass rapist and about 400 women have been sexually exploited. But we, in our complaint sent by your Ramesh Gowda, MLC, one of our MLCs, we have stated that if there is information is available, because that was exclusively quoting that 400 women have been exploited. That information should be collected from Mr. Rahul Gandhi, so that SIT can inquire into these incidents, and also there could also be women who are not dare enough to come before the SIT dispose of them also, and he should be called and should be inquired into these incidents, and succor should be provided to the victims who have been sexually exploited.
Why come now, sir, after so long?
No, we thought that they should take action, because under the Information Technology Act they should have taken all the actions. SIT is only calling the people who are from the Hassan only, not elsewhere, anywhere else also. There are a lot of things are happening in social media that should have been concentrated. And those women who have suffered, those who have become victims, they should be protected. That is our main intent. Thank you.
What section is that? What section is
Ranga, 2 of the IPC, Indian Penal Code.
CRPC.
Any citizen having any evidence with the citizen, he himself give to the any concerned investigation agents. The Rahul Gandhi have the information, he is in publicly what is told in the Shimoga and Raichur. More than 400 women is raped. He is a mass rapist. If you have evidence, please give to the investigating agency. His government constituted a SIT. His own government constituted a SIT. He write a letter to the state government to give all facility to the victim. When even this case, why not he give the evidence to the concerned authority? That's why SIT not give summons to the Rahul Gandhi. That's why whoever with evidence not given to the any agency, that is the offence under section 202 IPC. We quoted section 202 IPC. Please file FIR against Rahul Gandhi, and interrogation and everything, you collect the evidence from Rahul Gandhi.
Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.